Don't you know, Mr. Love, I can't take all this sorrow. So if you have a time, you'll be mine once again. Please, 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 Mr. Love, where is the boy that I'm dreaming of? Please, 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 Mr. Love, bring him back home to me. Yesterday was so fine, he'd been walking beside me, and he said he'll be mine till the day we both die. But he left me last night, and my heart broken sadly. I was feeling so sad that I broke down and cried. Please, 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 Mr. Love, where is the boy that I'm dreaming of? Please, 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 Mr. Love, bring him back home to me. Please, 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 Mr. Love,